Welcome to the ArmaniTalks YouTube channel. I'm your host, ArmaniTalks. In this channel, I'm covering communication skills for you to level up your way with words and become much more articulate. In today's episode, we are going to be talking about how to make friends when you moved to a new state. Let me guess, you're feeling a little homesick right now. And psychologically and biologically, this is accurate because your entire identity was in this particular location. Friends, family, memories are all in this particular location. Then out of the blue moon, you moved to a brand new state. As you moved to this brand new state, what happens is you look to your left, you look to your right, and the faces are so new. How is it that you're going to start over and build a life here? The first thing to understand is that you should know that you can. We don't want to think so big, as in, how are we going to create this brand new social circle? Because that's going to overwhelm the mind and it's going to make us dive further into our shell. It's better to think, how can I make at least one friend? Because human beings, they're networks. They're walking networks where if you just meet one new person, you have the opportunity, the potential to be connected with their friends, their family, their coworkers. So we just want to ask ourselves the question, how can we meet one new person? Now, plenty of times you will be surprised because when you move to a new location, most likely you know at least one person there. I recall when I moved from Florida to Virginia, I was feeling very homesick. I was thinking, man, I don't know what to do. Oh no, I was overthinking. And then suddenly I found out, wait a minute. I go through GroupMe and I see that one of my fraternity brothers moved to Virginia and he made a message 2 months ago. He's like, hey, my going away party before I move to Virginia will be X day. Y'all should roll through. So that's when I'm thinking, wait a minute. I may actually know a guy in Virginia. I get his contact information and I find out that he only lives 20 minutes away from me. So just like that, I have that one person that I could hang out with. And this guy, he knew other people that he was capable of introducing me to. And if you don't have that one person, just keep that philosophy though. Just one person is all I need to meet. Now, how am I going to meet them? And this is where my answer is very cut and dry, to the point. I recommend you join a club. The club can happen through the Meetup app. You can go on Google and just write clubs near me. I know some people join meditation clubs, dragon boating clubs, hiking clubs, etc. But for me, my advice is join a Toastmasters. Because Toastmasters is a global public speaking club and 6 out of 10 chances that there's a Toastmasters near you. So I would personally, I'm very biased in this regards, but I would recommend you join a Toastmasters club. And from there, whichever club you choose, by the way, it's way easier to meet people. Because now there's this environment where there's shared understanding and you don't need to be trying to make friends with everyone from the beginning. Just keep putting yourself in that environment and soon, even if you're antisocial, soon you're going to meet one person and that one person is going to be an acquaintance at first. After multiple interactions, they become a friend. And I'm just starting off light. I'm just saying one person. But if you're in a club, chances are you're going to meet 2 to 5 people and that gets the ball rolling. Once the ball gets rolling, that's when a lot of connections are made by accident. So if you're feeling homesick right now, understand that it's completely normal from a psychological and biological lens. But in order to fix this homesick feeling, you don't want to be too negative. You don't want to be too grand in your thinking, where it's, I need to build a social circle immediately. Instead, it's, I just got to meet that one person. Maybe I already know this one person that I just have to hit up. Or maybe I don't know anyone, but I can meet them once I'm in the right environment. So just take it one friend at a time, and eventually you will have a social circle in no time. Thank you very much for joining the Armani Talks YouTube channel, and I'll catch you next time.